Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about foods that are great for our memory. This video is not only applicable for children and teenagers who are going to school, but it is also applicable for elders to boost their memory and prevent any kind of age-related memory loss like dementia, Alzheimer's. Now, we must understand that iron plays a very important role in boosting our memory. IQ levels are correlated with iron levels in our body. Iron is also related to concentration. It has been seen that kids suffering from low iron levels, anemia, have poor performance in school. The need for iron also increases for women between the age of 15 and 40 because they lose a lot of blood every month. So have foods that are good sources of iron to boost your memory and reduce any kind of age-related memory loss problems. Now, what are foods that are rich in iron? There is something called as heme food and non-heme foods. Heme foods are present in non-vegetarian foods like organ meats, beef, meat. The bioavailability of iron in heme foods are much higher. Bioavailability means the amount of iron present in food which is available to our body. Non-heme foods include vegetarian foods. The bioavailability of such foods are very less. These include green leafy vegetables, whole grain cereals, dried apricots, dried raisins. Now you can improve the availability of such foods by including vitamin C in your diet. This increases the absorption of iron. Avoid having tea and coffee with food because they contain tannins. These are anti-nutrients which leads to poor absorption of iron in our body. So avoid having them with meals. You can have them between meals but not while you're having your main meals. Include foods that are rich source of antioxidants. Colorful fruits and vegetables, berries. They tend to reduce free radicals from our body. Free radicals are highly reactive molecules that are made by our body whenever they are exposed to any kind of smoke, UV radiation, pollution. They are also made by our body as a byproduct of metabolism. They are responsible for a lot of inflammatory diseases in our body. So include a diet which is rich in antioxidants. Apart from that, make sure that you are including omega-3 fatty acids in your body. These include EPA, DHA. These are essential fatty acids which are not made from our body, so we have to take them through diet. Have fatty fishes like salmon, mackerel, tuna. You can even have omega-3 supplements if you are vegetarian. Include flax seeds, walnuts, chia seeds in your diet because these are anti-inflammatory in nature. Our brain cells is made up of 50% lipids. So it's very important that we include these essential fatty acids in our diet as it helps to reduce any kind of inflammatory diseases and boost our memory. Now, what are the top 10 foods that are great for boosting our memory? So you will notice that most of these foods are purple, red, blue in color because they contain a phytonutrient which is called anthocyanin, which has memory boosting properties. So let us look at what foods are there. First, blueberries. They are a great source of antioxidants. They contain anthocyanin, an antioxidant of phytonutrient, which is great for memory boosting properties. Include them in your diet as well as in kids' diet. They can have as a form of fruit, include them in salads or have them as smoothies, an ideal snack. The second is apples. Now, apples contain quercetin. It is an antioxidant that prevents against Alzheimer's. Now, red apples also contain anthocyanin. Now, these quercetin and anthocyanin are present in the flesh as well as in the skin. So, make sure that you're having your apples with the skin on. The third is spinach. Spinach is a very good source of folic acid. This is a B complex vitamin. It reverses memory loss. It prevents against Alzheimer's. Having half cup cooked spinach in your diet is equivalent to 2/3 of your daily requirements of folic acid. So make sure that they are part of yours as well as your kids' diet. The other are onions. Now, red onions are a good source of anthocyanin as well as quercetin. White onions. Yellow onions, they are a good source of quercetin. I've already mentioned the properties of quercetin and anthocyanin. They have great memory boosting properties and they prevent against Alzheimer's. You can have them in raw form or you can cook them in your curries. The other are grapes, red grapes, purple grapes, black grapes. They're a great source of anthocyanin. Even dried black grapes, which are raisins, are a good source of iron. You can soak at least 8 to 10 raisins overnight and in the morning have these along with the water you have soaked them in. It will definitely help you to overcome anemia. Red wine, which contains an antioxidant called resveratrol. It is great for functioning of it. But make sure that you're not over drinking wine because then you will negate the effect of this antioxidant. The other is broccoli. Broccoli is a good source of quercetin. It's a very good source of folic acid. We know these are great for reversing any kind of age-related memory problems. Beetroot, great source of folic acid. The other is cherries, extremely good source of anthocyanin. So now you see how I'm saying how most of these foods are generally red or purple in color because of anthocyanin, the antioxidant, the phytonutrient. The other is eggplants, great source of anthocyanin. Now they also contain nasonerin. This is a powerful antioxidant. It protects the lipids in our brain cell membranes and prevent any kind of age-related memory problems. And the last is the herb rosemary. It contains carcinic acid. Now carcinic acid is neuroprotective in nature. It prevents against Alzheimer's and any neurodegenerative brain disorders. Even the scent of rosemary is great for boosting memory and preventing any kind of age-related memory problems. I hope this tip was useful. I'll be posting more videos related to nutrition and health. This is Menka Vision signing off. Bye-bye.